What's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O.Bennett, guys. I am the original student of the game internet marketing, and the first thing I want to do is to wish everybody within earshot or visual earshot of this video a happy new year, guys. Okay, I've taken a long break off. It's great to be back doing the videos, and so let's just dive right in, guys, and hit the ground running. What we want to do in the new year, guys, is we want to as we pursue our endeavors as entrepreneurs and work from home moms or dads or people who just looking to earn a little extra income working from home online, is let's focus a little bit more this year. What I want my audience to focus a little bit more on this year is taking a little bit more control of the actual creative process in your business. Okay, now I know a lot of us, we get involved with a lot of great business opportunities, whether it be affiliate marketing, direct mail opportunities, MLMs, whatever it is you're involved in, and sometimes we wait and or rely too much or too long on other people to initiate some of the things that we could actually be doing our own selves. Okay, and we're going to talk about that today. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how to actually design, how to do, well, should I say, do-it-yourself postcard design. Okay, we're going to be talking about do-it-yourself postcard design, and we're going to be talking about how to create your own postcards, guys. Okay, because you can take any business opportunity and you can actually tailor it. You can actually brand yourself with that business opportunity, and really just step into a whole new arena in terms of your marketing and advertising. Okay, and you guys are gonna, this is gonna be an eye-opener for all you entrepreneurs. And if you're brand new to working from home and making money online, or you just stepped into a brand new opportunity, I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to talk to you guys about what you can do with postcards. Okay, and when you talk about creating or do-it-yourself postcard design, right, when you talk about creating or how to create your own postcards, then guys, you can simplify the actual process in your marketing. And we're talking about taking more control of your marketing, right? Really immersing yourself in your particular biz op or your business or your service and taking complete control of it. Now, I'm going to jump over here to another screen and show you guys exactly what it is I'm talking about. And this should get you really, really excited. Now, this year, guys, I'm going to be stepping into some brand new, we talk about that, taking back that creative control for our businesses and for ourselves. This year, you guys are going to see where I'm going, and I think it's going to excite all you guys, because it doesn't matter what business that you're in. Okay, I don't care what it is you want to market and promote. Now, I'm talking particularly about direct mail marketing, and what I've been doing over the last, what I would say probably month, is I'm actually merging my online business opportunity and my affiliate marketing with offline, you know what I mean, with direct mail marketing. And I've done this for quite some time. I started out as an entrepreneur, as a mail order affiliate, making money in mail order. And so there's been a resurgence in direct mail, okay? And I don't know whether it has or not. It's always been pretty big. It's always been pretty hot. And opportunities sometimes seem like they're flying under the radar. But when we talk about how to actually, or do-it-yourself postcard creation, right, or do-it-yourself postcard design, and how to create your own postcards, this is what I want you guys to pay special attention to with what I'm talking about here. Now, you can actually do it yourself and create these postcards for pennies on the dollar. Right now, this particular card, we're talking about just 1,000 cards for just a little over $100. Now, let me tell you about the beauty of what you can do with anything that you're marketing and advertising when you're able to integrate direct mail marketing in, either whether it's an online business that you want, if it's a digital business, or if it's particularly just mail order or direct mail. It really doesn't matter, right? And the name of this particular company is Overnight Prints. You guys will find the link in the YouTube video description area. I implore you guys to jump over here and take a minute of your time and watch this and understand how you can incorporate do-it-yourself postcard design, and create your own postcards to go out and market your particular business and or your service. Now, what I've done, guys, and what I would advise you to do, whatever your business opportunity is, if you want to use a particular postcard model like this, PS, and by the way, I'm coming with it's going to get even better than this. So if you guys are not subscribed, go down and hit the subscribe button, because you ain't seen nothing yet, guys. We're taking off this year in a whole new direction, just returning that level of creativity to ourselves. But for today, if this postcard model was one that you wanted to implement in your particular marketing, you could get 1,000 of these postcards for just, I think it's $102. That's number one. You're able to go in here and actually set this card up. I did this in about 5 minutes. If you have images that you have uploaded on your hard drive, then you can simply go to the store, to those files in your computer. You can crop these images. And here's the most important thing you want to remember when you talk about direct mail marketing. Sometimes the less you say, the better off you are. I love color. I love color coordination. So I like red and I like blue. So you can see up here, I've got some red and I got some blue going on. I also took a little image of myself and I got that on the picture as well. And so what I've also done is I've gone out and I've actually purchased a domain name that actually redirects, and we're going to talk about that more in other videos for all my entrepreneurs, my serious students of the game internet marketing. This particular comeongetsome.com actually is having that domain name redirect to an actual sales video. It's not even a sales video. I'm actually setting it up so it's going to redirect to me, a bridge page, if you would. And we're gonna, again, guys, we're going to get into all this great stuff. So that's why you want to stay plugged into this channel. This is a simple and easy way to get yourself up and running. This is a simple and easy way to get out of all the noise, right, and stand out and brand yourself at the same time. Now, you guys are going to get to see the actual offer a little later on, maybe in a month, because I've really taken my time to dot all the I's and cross all the T's, and that's why I'm so excited about it. Now, just imagine, whatever it is you're promoting, guys, if you got a picture of yourself or you got an image of yourself, we could be a caricature, a cartoon image, it doesn't really matter what it is, but returning that level of creativity to yourself by creating postcards or do-it-yourself postcard for anything that you want to market and promote. I can't put enough emphasis on that. Now, what I got going on here, wow, I'm so excited because there's so many cool other things I'm going to be showing you guys. But what I got going on here is, it's a very simple postcard. Now, I got the actual template in rotation. You guys can see it. That's the front side you're watching right now. And I just designed this. Like I said, it took me all of 5 minutes. Now, what I'm saying to my potential prospects is watch this video. And then I'm redirecting to my domain name, which is a cheap domain name I purchased over at GoDaddy, comeongetsome.com. Once the person goes to comeongetsome.com, they're redirected, and keep this in mind. Listen to what I'm telling you guys. And this is the beauty of doing this, incorporating both online direct mail with digital or online marketing, is you can redirect your prospects to an actual capture page. If you guys go over to Come On Get Some, you won't see that right now because I'm still working on it. You'll just go straight to a video. But after the person has seen the video and they're so inclined, then I got another cheap domain for $8, $9 for the entire year. Download your cash, and the person can actually go there to get the actual form to fill out after watching the video. That's it. That's all, okay? Very simple process. You can create the postcards for pennies on the dollar. Get yourself, what is that, 37-cent stamp. And we're going to be talking about those business, home-based business opportunity seekers that you can also get on pill and stick labels. These are people who have already raised their hands. They're looking for opportunities such as this. And what happens on the front side, and I'm going to show you guys in a second, is you will simply put their name and address right here below, above the actual caption, and you will mail the postcard out. Making money from home, working online, does not have to be a complicated process. It is not a get quick rich scheme, and it's not something that's going to necessarily happen overnight. But if you're consistent and you actually branding yourself in your marketing, and you actually taking the time to return that level of creativity to yourself, guys, what you can do when I talk about speaking your success into existence is literally, seriously, off the charts. Okay, now I'm creating, I know I'm a little ahead of myself, but I'm creating a whole, it's going to be a whole postcard a system that actually just brands me. And I'm doing I'm going the whole 9 yards. I'm with the self mailer. You guys are going to get to see everything it is I'm doing. You guys can lock into any of these things that I'm doing. You guys can copy exactly what it is I'm doing in literally minutes. But when this is all said and done, you guys will actually be able to get everything that it is I'm doing. And for my real creators and people who really want to get down and, just do your own thing, you know what I'm saying? Just really step into your greatness, step into that side of yourself that you never even knew existed. And you won't know that it exists until you really reach deep down into yourself and let yourself be just who you are, okay? You don't have to implement, copy nobody else exactly what they're doing. You are a unique individual in your own right. That's your God-given gifts and talents that you haven't even tapped into yet. And once you've done that, then you go out, you do yourself a simple do-it-yourself postcard. I don't care what it is you want to market. You buy yourself a domain name and you can do something like this. And I don't care who you are, and I don't care what it is you're marketing and advertising. That is one of the most beautiful things in terms of returning that level of creativity and empowering yourself that I can think of, right? And that's what makes it hard for me to sleep sometime at night. Now, it's back. It's a new year. I don't make New Year's resolutions, guys, because resolutions, they come and they go, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I am the ultimate, I am the consummate dream chaser, right? I'm always speaking my own success into existence. I'm always looking for new, creative, and innovative ways to continue to speak my success into existence. And I'm looking for people who are willing to do that and ready to do that as well. And this information is absolutely free. If you're looking for a great do-it-yourself postcard design, templates and software that you can pop right in here and play around in the actual the editor is really so simple. My 6-year-old daughter can do it if she wanted to. But I want you guys to really think about that. Think a lot about it as we move into the new year, okay? And just to see an example of what my potential prospects will see, go ahead on and go to comeongetsome.com. And then after you watch the actual video, go ahead on over to download your cash. Guys, I don't have to talk about the business opportunity, right? We speak our success into existence by simply taking action. We can actually fly high right under the radar and do whatever it is we want to do. And nobody don't ever have to ever know what it is. So go on and check out comeongetsome.com. Then if you want to run over to download your cash to see again what my potential prospects will see when I start mailing these postcards in a couple of weeks, then by all means do that as well. But again, if do-it-yourself postcard design is something that you're into, guys, go on and check the link in this YouTube video, okay? And get hot, get busy, okay? Start just diving in and feeling that energy, right? You can feel it pulsating through your veins. It's great to be on YouTube and all the other places where you can go and learn and fellowship. But at some point in time, you want to just step into you, right? You want to do you, and you can do you all over the place, right? And you can promote and market anything you want to. It's a great way to build your list offline, right? To incorporate list building offline as well as online. So the sky truly is the limit. I appreciate you guys being on this video so very, very much. I want to stop and pause to thank you and wish you a happy new year once again. Let's hit the ground running. You guys ain't seen nothing yet. I have simplified this process so very, very much when it comes to making money online, work from home. You guys are going to absolutely love what it is I got in store for you. Anyway, that's my time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it made some kind of sense to you. Think about what it is you're marketing, promoting. Think about getting yourself a domain name. And think about a do-it-yourself postcard design that you can create just like this. Get 1,000 postcards for right around $105. Get yourself some little cheap postcard stamps. Some opportunity seekers. People who are looking for business opportunities, right? And drop them off in the mail, guys. And see if speaking your success into existence isn't something that can be a thing of the past. Anyway, I gotta go. I appreciate you guys being on the video. I thank you so very much. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O.Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you guys on the next video.